Hello, this is Frank, and this is a makeup tutorial. I felt like celebrating my new eyeshadow by Urban Decay. It's a very pretty beigey type of light beige, and I figured being it's so light beige, it resembles foundation color, face powder. I might as well just put some of my pan stick, my stick foundation all over my eye sockets, and put the Urban Decay light beige on my eyelids, and make what like you probably think it's a cut eye crease, I outlined the eye, you know, the lid, with brown powder, just chocolatey brown. And then what I did is I outlined the chocolatey brown with a very thin brush, and I defined my borders of my chocolatey brown dark contour. It's very important to define your borders with a thin brush with foundation, so it's nice and sharp. I also sharpened it up over here. Just don't put dark powder eyeshadow on your face without defining its borders with a thin brush and foundation. And I put a little bit of white, it's like a stick, pasty white, inside and out over there. A little bit of foundation, a little bit of the foundation and the powder from the lid over there, brighten up with the white. It's a basic eyeliner. The creases all around. One thing I'm not good at, nor will I ever try to work with liquid eyeliner. I just can't do liquid eyeliner, and I'm not going to try. Some people could do magnificent jobs with liquid eyeliner, get a magnificent line. I just haven't got to that level. As far as my eyebrows, I did mention in the previous video not to do pasties. Pasties is when you make an artificial eyebrow. I see these guys, they go through amazing lengths with this purple type of a glue to paste up their eyebrows and put a blow dryer on there to dry it out. Then they use a bandage glue to put it on. Then they scrape the bandage glue off. Of course, there's a fine residue that actually holds. Then they use pan stick, powder, and maybe white powder and more foundation until it goes away. Then they draw over that, and one queen actually uses a false eyebrow, which is kind of like a lace front eyebrow, which is made of real human hair, which really looks beautiful. I don't do that at all. I told you people in previous videos, don't do pasties. I call that a pasty. Don't do pasties. Pasties are disgusting. And one thing about transgendered females who want to look like women, they don't do pasties, they just pluck. I got through years of electrolysis. I have no beard. And you can see from my other side of the eye, I have a massive eyebrow. And with a little bit of bandage glue, brush out a little bit of bandage glue, allow it to dry just a little bit, and I formed the eyebrow hairs going up and over. I don't even use wax. And this glue washes off easy with soap and water. Just a little bit of cream and everything comes off. So I just want to celebrate the fastest, beautifulest eyeshadow I've did in my whole life that looks so clean. Why? Because I got a thin brush and outlined my dark eyeshadow with foundation. So it looks ever so sharp. Yes, people say it might look blotchy if you just put dark over foundation. You need to build up the color. You work with a light brown, medium brown, you get a dark brown. Yes, that is a bit of an aid. You could just as well do that, build up the color. It looks less blotchy. Also, you could just keep on going over it until the blotchiness goes away. So this is my regular eye, a regular guy's eye. This is my Sophia Antoinette eye. And believe me, it didn't take too much time to do this. I went right for it. I figured I'd buy my mother some eyeshadow Urban Decay. Hey, I'm keeping it. I like this eyeshadow. I like this technique. So this is the eyeshadow I'm gonna lock myself in with. Just a beige and brown. Maybe if I want to go a little crazy, I might put a little bit of gold. But I'd rather stay with earth tones because my eyes are hazel green. Let's stick with earth tones. I'm not going to play crazy colors. When I first did drag, I did peacock blue green. I was known for peacock blue green with black and white. Oh my goodness. That was much younger. I don't do that nonsense at my age. I'm a little bit older. I want to be a bit more civil and more reasonable with my makeup. So it's just basically eye. So it's Sophie Antoinette in New Orleans. I'm soon to be moving over Perdido Beach, over by Pasadena Beach City. A little bit on the coast because my mother likes the ocean. She's getting old. I'd rather stay in New Orleans. I love it here. But my mother wants a beach house. So for 4 years I'm moving there. Totally selfless. I don't want to move there. I'm just moving there for my mother. And then I'm moving back to New Orleans, but in the French Quarter. So I'm going to rent for a year. And I buy. Maybe in Metairie or somewhere in the area. But the city's too much of the city. I'd rather get a little bit outside the city. Where I'd be going is I could walk around naked in my front backyard. There's no roads. I could jerk off against a pine tree if I want. Rub my ass against a pine tree. I'll be able to hear the nighttime music. It's a 7-minute drive to the beach. Magnificent crystal clear waters. Oh, well, so much fun personal life. This video is more so about eyeshadow. Enjoy. Bye-bye.